Welcome to the Nurio B200-SE Spotlight Camera installation tutorial. We'll walk you through the installation process step by step, including both magnetic and bracket installation methods. Apart from the included bracket and screws, you may need some additional tools of your own. To ensure optimal performance for viewing angles and motion detection, install the camera at the appropriate height and angle on a surface that can bear its weight. Avoid reflective surfaces like glass, and position the camera to capture side-to-side motion rather than movement directly toward or away from it. The magnetic base installation is the easiest and most hassle-free method. All you need is a smooth metal surface. Simply attach the magnetic base and you're good to go. You can easily adjust the camera angle to suit your preferences and quickly remove it whenever necessary. You can also use the magnetic bracket to install the magnetic base on other surfaces like concrete or wood. Use the position sticker included in the package to mark the drill holes. Insert the expansion anchors. Then secure the bracket with screws, aligning the up arrow. Screw the magnetic base until you hear a click. Finally, attach the camera to the magnetic base. It's sturdy and flexible. For a more conventional installation, you can use the standard bracket. Again, use the position sticker to mark the drill holes. Secure the base of the bracket to the wall using screws. Mount the camera onto the bracket and adjust the angle as needed. Also, you can opt for double-sided tape installation. Choose a smooth, flat surface like tiles. Apply strong adhesive tape to the back of the magnetic bracket. Stick it onto your chosen spot, attach the magnetic base, and then the camera. That's it, you're all set. Enjoy your Nurio B200-SE Spotlight Camera.